Hello, one new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of the Beyblade X Battle the starter Helm Knight 380 needle. Really ready for this guy. But it's the starter. And I could actually do the let it rip thing, but I'm not. Yeah, let's go. I'm really close to getting the first wave done. Okay, there we go. There. God damn it. Always ripping that part. Let's get it. There. One more to my collection. Here's the shitty launcher. That shitty launcher. Next Friday, I will be, probably by the time this goes up, I'll have all of them, even the shitty and the actual better launcher, but I prefer the string launcher over anything else. This is the Hasbro string launcher. But yeah, everything else is below. I never really liked using this actual normal launchers, because I like string launchers a bit better because it fits my hand perfectly, and yeah, makes it a lot easier to record. There we go, Helm Knight. Here's the QR code if you don't have it already. Let's get the actual tip and rush it for this. Okay, there we go. 380 needle. Okay, there we go. It's a defense type, of course. So let's get into the actual battle. Okay, there we go. I'm going to do a battle between these two again, because the main and pro tag of the series, besides X. 1-0. And 2-0. There we go. That very overpowered bay. But yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.